So let me show you how to use a USB flash drive on your Vitron Smart TV. So the first thing you need to do is identify where the USB port is. Now, it could be at the back of your TV or at the bottom. Now, for this particular TV, the USB port is at the bottom. So you need to access it and plug in your USB flash drive. So I've just put mine in, and probably one of the worst place to put the USB port is going to be at the bottom of the TV. So you can see it right there sticking out. It took me about 5 whole minutes just to just put it in there. Anyway, once you insert the USB flash drive, you simply want to go home and then flick left to mine and then scroll down and you should see media. So select that, and that's going to open up this page where you can access all the media in either the internal storage or USB drive. So this is where you can access all the files and folders inside your USB drive. So if there are any videos, you can play them, like you can look at photos and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.